I would not even have taking you to lunch in my system.
Okay.
I think that's David Sandler submarine, smoking cigarettes and drinking martinis at lunch, 1977 sales training, right? These people are struggling right now. They need to close deals. Some of them made $4 million in 2023 and are about ready to finish 2024 at $200,000 in income. Okay, so unless you're going to lunch to talk about buying their boat from them or help pay for their kids' college education, deliver an insight to where they're like, thank freaking God, I found somebody that I can work with that understands what the hell's going on in the industry. And then the deals will come. Then they'll tell you about their business. But what we can't do is go, okay, yeah, tell me a little bit about your business. They're gonna go, Nunya. Nunya? Yeah, Nunya business. I buy my own, chicken tandoori next time. We have to give them value. We got to. And it just makes it a lot easier when we're giving them value. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.